Energy that inspires.
He's a happy boy. That translates and that comes to you and it makes you happy.
Charm that simply exudes.
The first day that he walked onto set, he walked on with a boombox and he put it down and he performed. It was amazing and everyone just instantly fell in love.
Driven to succeed.
One day I got a call. They said it's a Yash Raj film. It's a lead role. Come and give an audition.
There's a very intense side to him. You can see it in his eyes. I think it was a challenge that drove him.
Determined to triumph.
He's very dedicated. He's very sincere, even though he pretends not to be. Puts a clip over here to simulate the bullet wound, to feel the pain, you know. Does a whole day of scenes. When he pulls the clip out, suddenly his back starts to spasm. Not one complaint. And the moment we finished, it's like he just fell.
I think every director who's worked with him wants to work with him again. हमारा एक common joke है और वो बाबा रणवीर का सिर्फ चेहरा एक्ट नहीं करता, उनकी आंखें एक्ट नहीं करती, उनके बाल और बॉडी भी एक्ट करता है.
From small beginnings.
Feels like only yesterday that you saw Band Baja Bharat.
Most commendable Bittu Sharma one can ever have.
You remember me?
To superstardom.
You can tell him what you want and he will just put his head down and give you that.
In 5 short years.
You know, he's an actor and he can do almost anything.
It's been a magical journey.
A lot of people say that अरे यार ये बहुत loud है. A lot of people say that अरे नमूना है, किस तरह से ड्रेस करता है, किस तरह के इसके बाल हैं. But all those things I think are the things that make him different. I think people love him for that.
I think you're the best thing that's happened to Bollywood.
And it's only just begun.
I hope he becomes the biggest star ever, but I hope that never ever overshadows the fact that he's an actor.
रणवीर 5 साल हो गए तुझे यार. That's long time.
He comes every day like it's his first day on the job, and I hope that never goes away.
Please keep doing the films you're doing. Please just keep entertaining us. Please keep loving us and just stay the way you are. And I love you very much and all the best.
बाजीराव ने मस्तानी से मोहब्बत की है, अय्याशी नहीं. बाजीराव ने मस्तानी से मोहब्बत की है, अय्याशी नहीं. बाजीराव ने मस्तानी से मोहब्बत की है, अय्याशी नहीं.
परदेसी जाना नहीं, मुझे छोड़ के. Okay, this is it. I'm all set. I'm on my way now to the Eiffel Tower, the iconic Eiffel Tower. Big night, big trailer launch. The mayor is going to be there. All the dignitaries, VIPs are all going to be there. I'm really nervous because I have to make a speech. But the world is going to see the trailer very, very soon. And I'm really, really excited. Okay, I hope I got everything. Phone, wallet, keys, game face, my shades. I think I'm all set. Alright guys, wish me luck.
Wait, sir. Sir. What? Sir, please wait. Not right now. Sir, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, get set, cause Stan Smith is coming to India. No, not the shoe. The man himself. Stan the Man is coming to Mumbai on the 4th of November. Alright, all you sneakerheads, listen up. It's time to show some love for the Stan Smiths. All you have to do is post a picture of yourself in your Stan Smiths. Use the hashtag #StanSmithIndia and share a story of your relationship with this pair of Stan Smiths and your love for the shoe. I'm going to go through all the entries and I'm going to pick 5 of the best ones, and 5 of these lucky winners will get to join me to meet Mr. Stan Smith in Mumbai on the 4th of November. Stan Man's coming. Get your shoes on, get your swag on. Let's do this.
कभी खुद पे हंसा मैं और कभी खुद पे